The 2007 Explorer Sport Track. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, automatic stability control, keyless entry, cruise control, 6-way power adjustable front driver seat, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, MP3 capability, child safety locks, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel, towing package, cup holders, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.